and welcome again to our new episode mga kabiyahero. Let's go and let's have a road trip to the Saguaro National Park and Tucson Mountain Park. The Saguaro National Park is located in Tucson, Arizona, USA. The park was home of the Saguaro cactus. It is the tallest cactus in the United States, or maybe in the entire world. The Saguaro cactus was a symbol of the American West. Did you know that the Saguaro cactus can live up to 150 to 200 years old? Saguaro cactus are very slow-growing cactus. A 10-year-old saguaro might only be 1.5 inches tall, and they can grow for as 50 to 60 feet tall. And it can only have its arm after 75 years old. So pag nakakita kayo ng saguaro na may kamay, it means more than 75 years old na siya. The state of Arizona has a very strict regulation about harvesting, collection, or destruction of these species. So sa mga plantita ng nabalak pag-alaga or mag-collect ng cactus na to, isip-isip muna, pwede ka makulong o kaya naman magmulta. Saka wag na kayong magbalak kasi masyadong malaki itong alagaan at marami itong spine that can cause serious injury. So what else can you find here in Saguaro and Tucson Mountain Park? You can also find a jumping cholla. It is also a type of cactus similar to saguaro. It has a lot of spine. Saguaro and Tucson Mountain Park also a home of variety of wild animals like javelina. They look similar to pigs, but they are different species. A poisonous rattlesnakes, a poisonous scorpion, Gila monster, grasshopper mouse, regal horned lizard, cactus hummingbird, antelope squirrel, and many more. Careful. The Saguaro National Park is part of the Sonoran Desert, which covered large parts of the southwestern United States, in Arizona, in California, and of northern Mexico. Dito pala sa southern Arizona, may mga buto ng dinosaurs na nakita o nahukay at pinaniniwalaang tinatayang 75 million years old na ito. gonna tell?
Hmm?
What are you gonna tell?
Daddy, these are like the ones, you know, the place we went before, the red rocks.
This is the end of our video, and I hope you like our vlog for today. And if you like our video, please like and subscribe. It will help grow my channel. Thank you and see you again next vlog.